Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam married Hazrat Zainab bin Jahsh, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the people to a feast. They, after consuming food, stayed back for chatting. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave permission of getting up, but they never got up. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood up, some people who had to get up got up, and a narration says, 3 men kept sitting there. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back to enter, but they were still sitting. Later, they got up and went away. So I went and notified Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam that they had gone. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came back home and entered. When I was about to enter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam hung a curtain between me and him. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse. Translation: O believers, enter not the houses of the Prophet unless you get permission. For instance, you are invited to a meal, but not in this manner that you yourselves wait for its preparation. Yet, when you are invited, then enter, and when you have taken your meal, then disperse. Not this, that you may sit down and amuse yourselves in talks. Undoubtedly, this was causing inconvenience to the Prophet, and he has regard for you. But Allah is not shy of saying the truth to undoubtedly. This is a grievous thing in the sight of Allah. The Confederates, verse 53. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 3491.